Official passage number 10, speed 80, recorded by Sarif Tahar Ahmed. Start. The principle underlying instruction 2.11 is that the advice of the Commission should be sought regarding the filling of specified post and that there should be definite recommendation on each occasion when their advice is sought. Full stop. The idea of asking for additional names is to appoint the next candidate recommended in order of merit if the candidate recommended for the post fails to pass the medical examination or does not join within the time specified by the department, such list of additional names will be valid for 6 months only from the date of the Commission's recommendations. Full stop. It will be against the spirit of Article 188 of the Constitution to maintain a waiting list from among the candidates recommended in reserve and to fill from it vacancies falling afterwards or which has not been reported to the Commission for advice at all. Full stop. The proper course when any subsequent vacancy occurs is for the department concerned to make a fresh reference to the Commission, though there would be no objection to the Commission taking into consideration persons who may have been previously recommended but were not actually selected. Full stop. The department, while sending a requisition, may mention the number of vacancies at the time and any additional number of vacancies that are likely to occur in the near future so that the Commission may take the opportunity to select more candidates than the number of actual vacancies at the time of reference and recommend them later when a reference is made for filling additional new vacancies. Full stop. Para. Ordinarily, every post to be filled by direct recruitment should be advertised, but some modification may be necessary in the case of technical posts. Full stop. The number of suitable candidates available for these posts is sometimes less than the number required, and little purpose is served by advertising the unfilled post afresh. Full stop. In such cases, the Commission may not re-advertise the vacancies but may consider any applications from an eligible candidate received after the selection has been completed on its merit. Full stop. Such candidate may be interviewed, and found suitable, recommended for appointment against the unfilled post. Full stop. The recruitment should, in no case be kept pending indefinitely, and the unfilled posts should be re-advertised after an appropriate interval, which may in no case exceed 12 months. Full stop.